In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write great titles for your eBay listings quickly. Let's dive in by discussing the importance of your eBay listing titles. The title is often the first thing potential buyers will see, so it's crucial to make it captivating and informative. Buyers usually perform searches using specific keywords, which means your title should closely match what they're likely to type. If your title manages to attract their attention with the right keywords, it can significantly increase the chances of your item being clicked on and sold. eBay's search algorithm places a heavy emphasis on keywords found in titles. Hence, understanding what your target audience is searching for can be a game changer. Imagine a potential buyer typing in Nike Air Max 270 red men's size 10. If your title matches this search phrase closely, you are much more likely to appear in their search results. Remember, most buyers don't read through descriptions initially. They gauge the quality and relevance of a listing based primarily on the title. Therefore, your title must be both precise and compelling. To consistently create high-performing eBay titles, consider using this straightforward formula: brand, model, type, key features, condition, size, color, and other keywords. Let me illustrate this with an example. Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless noise cancelling headphones. Black, new sealed. This title is an excellent demonstration of using the formula. It begins with the brand and model, follows with the type, adds key features and the condition, and wraps up with color. Such specificity will help grab attention and improve your search rankings. Let's now discuss what you should avoid in your eBay titles. Avoid using all capital letters, as they not only look spammy but are also difficult to read. Symbols like exclamations or dollar signs are not searchable and simply take up precious space. Furthermore, words such as look or wow might draw attention to the listing but don't add any SEO value. Repeating keywords is also unnecessary, as eBay's search engine ignores duplicates. This makes repetition wasted effort that could be better utilized by including more varied, relevant keywords. Finally, refrain from adding misleading information. While it might get people to click on your listing, if the customer receives something different than what they expected, it can lead to returns or even negative feedback. Always aim to be truthful and accurate in your descriptions. By following these guidelines, you can craft eBay titles that not only draw potential buyers, but also accurately represent the items you're selling. With practice, writing effective eBay titles will become second nature, helping you boost your online sales efficiently.